Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to configure my browser for Figma. First, open figma.com in your web browser. This will take you to the Figma website. Once on the Figma website, look for the section or link labeled Browser Kit for Figma. This is where you will find additional resources and tools for your Figma projects. In the Browser Kit for Figma section, locate the option to try for free. Click on this option to initiate the trial version of the kit. This allows you to explore its features and capabilities at no cost. Alternatively, if you are interested in unlocking more features or accessing premium content, you may choose to purchase the full version of the kit. The cost for the full version may be displayed at $7.99. Click on the option to buy if you decide to proceed with the purchase. Whether you are using the trial version or the purchased version, you will have access to various components within the kit. These components are designed to enhance your Figma experience and streamline your design process. Take some time to explore the different components available and see how they can benefit your projects. As you navigate through the components, you may come across one that stands out or seems particularly useful. This could be a versatile element that you find yourself using frequently across multiple projects. Embrace this component as your go-to tool, utilizing it to streamline your workflow and create cohesive designs. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.